going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new women's Air Jordan 1 Praline. Let's get into it. Start out with the box. You got your normal traditional women's box. It's all red with the black Nike on top. You got your Nike on this side, same on this side. But then we're gonna get to the front of the box and it reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro OG High, and the colorway is Praline, white, and sail. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, you got your, well, not my normal stamp of approval on the box, but we do have this very nice clean tissue paper right here, kind of like a gold and white, and it has little basketball and Jumpman symbols going throughout the tissue paper. Nice little touch, something different, not plain white tissue paper, so I can dig it. But as we flip that back, then we do go back to our normal traditional, just plain white tissue paper that's on the inside of the box. That's pretty much it going on with the box, so you know how I go. Let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the women's Air Jordan 1 Praline. Alrighty, first of all, I do want to start off by saying I love the colorway. Very, very nice colorway, giving you those fall vibes because we know fall is right around the corner, and it's nice. I mean, I can't say nothing wrong about the colorway. Give you that nice tannish caramel looking color. Very nice, very clean shoe for the fall. I love it. My only thing that I hate about the shoe are these laces. Like, come on, what? I mean, I can understand a little silky thing they got trying to go on with it. But we did not need these laces. This is horrible. I would never wear these laces in this shoe. Sorry, so glad they came with extra laces, but these laces kill it. So if this was the only lace that came with this shoe, I definitely probably would not have copped. Well, no, I probably would have copped because I definitely would have still just changed out the laces and put it in another color, which would be like a cream or white would be perfect with this shoe. Thank God they gave us another pair because these right here were not it. Other than that, loving the shoe, loving the colorway. It's a women's exclusive. I feel as though, like I said before, when it's a women's exclusive and a Jordan 1, I have to get them. So I definitely had to get these. Glad out there we get them. I think they come out on, they haven't came out yet. They come out, let me check it out. They come out on September 13. They're going to retail for $180, which is pretty much a normal Jordan 1 price these days. Like I said, they are women's sizes, so very nice, very clean. Y'all let me know y'all going for them. But either though, let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. Like I said before, you got this nice, I must go with caramel and white upper. This nice premium leathers. The caramel is premium leather. I can see that. As you can see up close, you got your little dents, everything. You can show the nice quality of the leather. But then when we got to the white leather, it's not horrible, but it's not the same leather as this caramel colorway. I don't know why they didn't just give us the same materials throughout the whole shoe, but you can tell a tad bit. It's a little different from this nice caramel color, but like I said, it's not horrible. Pretty much the same leather we getting on every Jordan 1 these days, so can't complain too much, but overall it's still very clean. Coming to the side right here, you got the all white leather with that nice caramel Nike check coming across the side. Going all the way to the back of the heel, you got that nice caramel leather in the back of the heel going all the way up to the top of the heel. Inside the shoe, we just got Nike Air in that nice caramel looking color, which is nice. As you look at the ankle liner, the sock liner, you got this nice like a satin color or satin material, which is very clean. I like that, very different. Bring the shoe out a tad bit. We're gonna go back to the front of the shoe where they gave us, like I said, these horrible silky like laces in this caramel color, and then they're flat. I just don't understand why we got these laces, but they gave us these laces. I did want to point out one good thing about the lace that would have been nice if it was a regular lace, that they did give us these little golden tips right here on the tip of the laces, so that was different, something different, clean. If you would keeping these laces in, then you probably would actually appreciate that little golden tip. But I just don't understand those laces. But that's what we got on the lace. Going to this midsole, we got this nice sail midsole which is pretty much midsole we starting to get on every Jordan 1. And no matter the color, we're getting the sale midsole. So we got the sale midsole on these also. Then we flip into the bottom of the shoe. You got that nice caramel bottom with that Nike Air on the bottom of the shoe. That's on every Air Jordan 1. But like I said, very nice, very clean shoe. Loving the colorway. Oh, no, let me forget the tongue. You got your Nike Air right there on the top of the tongue in that nice caramel color. And then you got that nice vinyl, that white, creamish looking sock tongue going throughout the, top of the shoe also. Overall though, like I said, very nice, very clean. I love this colorway. Very nice fall colorway, fall and winter colorway. And then you still got your normal Air Jordan wings right here on the side of the shoe also, which is very clean. I like them. I just don't like those laces. So let's get to the next shoe. This was the left. Let's go to the right shoe, in which I have changed out the laces and I put in the white laces that they did come with. So like I said, they did come with extra pair of laces in this normal box that we used to get now that says Move to Zero. And then you got the Jordan symbol and the shoelaces right there on the box of the shoelaces thing right here. But clean, glad we got these extra laces. I went ahead and put them in this shoe right here so you can see the difference. Like I said, it just brings it all the way out with this normal lace right here, not those flat silky laces that they gave us on the shoe also. But still the same clean, nice, all white leather with your caramel leather going throughout the whole upper of the shoe. Caramel on the heel. Inside the shoe, you still got a normal Nike Air on the inside right there. You got your sale midsole Air Jordan wings right here on the side in that white. And then you got that all caramel on the bottom, rubber bottom, which is, like I said, it's clean. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Are you gonna go for these? Like I said, they come out September 18th. It's 18th, but I don't mean to say 13th. Sorry, September 13th. Retailing for $180 in women's sizes. So fellas, if you are trying to go for these, make sure you get your women's size and not your normal men's size, because these only come in women's sizes. But overall, like I said, very nice, very clean. Can't go wrong with these. I think we're finna be getting another satin bread pair that's coming out later on this year in women's also. Definitely gonna go for those. But this is just the inside of this shoe right here. This sock liner is just getting us ready for those, because you got that satin sock liner right there, which is very clean on this shoe also. So that's pretty much all I got for y'all. So this is the women's Air Jordan 1 Praline in this nice Air Jordan 1 colorway. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking. But like I said, that's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And hit that like button for you girls so you can get this video out there. But that's all I got. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.